Ready to witness the ultimate AI image showdown? Let's dive into Magnific AI vs Midjourney to uncover which reigns supreme. First, Magnific AI shines with its upscaling prowess. Upload your initial image, select your desired level of detail and coherence, and watch as Magnific AI breathes new life into it, adding intricate details and resolving blurriness. Notice how you can fine-tune creative settings to guide the AI towards your desired aesthetic. Next, we have Midjourney, accessed through Discord. Here, crafting the perfect prompt is key. Describe your vision with vivid details. Think style, subject, lighting, and composition. Midjourney then generates a grid of 4 images based on your prompt, offering options for upscaling and variations. Now, let's compare image quality. On one side, Magnific AI takes an existing image and enhances it. The result is often a more realistic and detailed version of the original. On the other, Midjourney creates entirely new images from text, giving you more creative control over the initial concept. However, may lack in photorealism for some prompts. User experience is crucial. Magnific AI boasts a clean, intuitive interface, making it easy to upload and upscale images. Its focus on enhancement makes it straightforward for users seeking to improve existing visuals. Midjourney, on the other hand, resides within Discord. While powerful, navigating the channels and understanding prompt syntax can have a learning curve for new users, but offers a great community support. In conclusion, Magnific AI excels at upscaling and enhancing existing images with incredible detail, while Midjourney triumphs in creative control, generating entirely new visuals from your imagination. Ultimately, the best AI generator depends on your specific needs. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments.